This video will demonstrate how to install a dispense lockout kit on a JDF 2S and a JDF 4S. The power should be disconnected from the equipment anytime the panels are removed. Disconnect the power from the machine. Remove the drip tray. Remove the two screws that secure the splash panel to the dispenser and set the panel aside. Disconnect door harness 4-pin white connector from the main circuit board. Connect new dispense switch lockout harness to main harness. Then connect the dispense switch lockout harness into same connector on main circuit board. Remove black wire from right side of dispense on-off switch and install on left side of the dispense on-off switch, making sure to stay on the back terminals. On newer units, a green wire will be in the terminal with the black wire. Cut the green wire at the terminal on the switch. If the machine does not have a green wire connected to the dispense on-off switch, cut the green wire from the dispense lockout kit harness. Next, remove the top nut and green wire from the ground stud. Connect new green wire from the dispense lockout harness to the ground stud and retighten nut. Reconnect power to the machine and check for proper operation. With the dispense on-off switch in the off position, the dispense switch lockout harness will stop product from dispensing and will not allow any programming functions to occur. To dispense product, the dispense on-off switch must be in the on position and the dispense switch lockout harness switch must be in the off position. To make program changes or fill in the water bath, the dispense on-off switch must be in the on position and the dispense lockout harness switch must be in the on position. Installation is now complete.